Okay.
Joe's chicken.
Delaware.
Ooh, Delaware.
Let's read the question.
What is the main theme of the poem?
Okay.
People should force our face.
Focus.
Focus on one thing at a time. It is okay to break the rules sometimes. It is important to follow directions.
Okay, which ones
Woo!
do you know? Let's read it. Okay, you probably forgot it. Let's read it. Joe's Chicken Delaware.
Joe's Chicken Delaware. Joe opened up the big cookbook and looked for chicken Delaware. He gave the recipe one quick look, then reviewed through the book into the air. The book said he must add a pinch of pepper to give it some
Zings.
Zing,
okay.
But Joe dumped in at least as and
inch
of pepper over the whole thing.
Okay, he just put the pepper into it's like 1 inch pepper cover the whole thing. Okay, thing is some spicy flavor.
The
steaming
pan was a fire sight that filled Joe with a great desire.
Okay, the feeling of wanting something.
He dipped his spoon and took a bite. His mouth and lips were set on fire.
Okay.
I must. What is the main theme of the poem?
Okay, do you know which one?
People should focus.
Okay, focus. Let's put it in this word. Focus means you do one thing. Okay, focus. Okay, only look at this point. Focus. Okay, what's this?
This is
desire.
The
feeling
of wanting something. The fear of wanting something.
What's that?
Desire. Focus.
Verb.
Okay.
To
direct
your
attention
to
direct
your attention or
effort
at something. She has an amazing ability to focus for hours at a time.
Okay. To direct your attention to something. Okay.
Focus.
Focus.
Okay, sped.
Focus. Focus. People should focus on one thing at a time. It is okay to break the rules sometimes. It is important to follow directions.
Okay, which one?
It is important to follow directions.
Yeah, good. The recipe says 1 pinch of pepper. He gave it 1 inch of the pepper. Okay,
We want
let's just.
my garden. I
What is that? What's that?
focus.
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 Focus. Verb. It's focus 4 hours at a time.
Okay.
Squint.
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 Cross-eyed.
Squint.
Squint.
Okay.
S. Squint.
Okay.
S. Q-U-I-N-T. Squint.
Squint.
Squint. Verb. To be cross-eyed.
Okay. Look at his eye. This one on this side. This one on this side. So 2 eyes in the middle, right? You see the 2 eyes in the middle. Okay. Usually people don't do that, right? If you look left, you just every eye look at one side. Okay. You see these 2 eyes on the middle, on the center, near the center, right? That's called squint.
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 Squint. I squint my eyes. And
Swat. No,
Swat.
don't do that. Why do you do that?
squint.
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 Okay.
To be closed. Eyed.
Okay, is that with the eye partly closed? That's also squint.
To look with eyes. Wait. Partly
Partly.
closed.
Okay.
SWAT.
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 Okay, that's a SWAT. Okay. SWAT had this flyer. Just this squat.
SWAT.
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 Okay.
Verb.
Okay.
To hit with.
A sharp snapping blow, usually with an instrument. Okay. SWAT.
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 Don't do that. No.
SWAT.
SWAT.
Transferred.
SWAT. SWAT.
Okay.
SWAT. At A flies.
Yeah, swat at flies. See? Okay, to beat this fly, use this one. Swat. Okay, I squirt my eyes. I think here means close my eyes partially. Okay. And
Swat at flies. I see tomatoes, red and
plum. Plum? Is that? What's that?
swat,
Swat.
swat,
Swat.
swat,
Swat.
swat,
Swat at the flyer.
Plump.
plump,
Plump.
plump,
Plump.
Sound. Plump of ducks.
pump of ducks.
Okay. I see tomatoes red and plump. What is that? A group. Understand a heavy job? No. No. 4. Yeah, I see.
Exactly.
Plump.
For
Okay.
the sound made by up.
A sun 4. I think that is what it means. I don't know. Plump.
So, but there's a one that makes me
Plump.
plump,
Plump.
plump,
Plump.
plump.
Tomato red and plump. Is that something job? Sunday job?
So, for
Squirm.
squirm,
Squirm.
squirm,
Squirm.
squirm,
Squirm.
squirm.
Okay, can spell.
SQUIRS, squirm.
Okay.
Make a lot of
Twisting
movement
ments.
because you are nervous, uncomfortable,
Bored. Okay.
but the body's baby squirmed a lot when I tried to hold him.
Okay. Squirm.
Squirm.
Squirm,
Squirm.
squirm,
Squirm.
Can s-
squirm.
Okay.
SQUIRM, squirm.
One more time.
SQUIRM, squirm.
Squirm. Okay, make some twisting movement. Yeah.
Twist,
Okay.
fab,
Okay. There is a worm, but there is a worm that makes me.
squirm. It moves, which makes me jump. Next up, I spy
Roaming by. Okay, let's stop here.